Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. JJ Rawlings ede ensembi aba betuga. Now he's not the only one saying this. Within the space of 1 year, a lot of security experts, even to the extent some embassies, akasansem na trebo mo citizens are more etegana has say. Answer never to us no. Subscribe and click the notification bell no. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Now JJ Rawlings say Ghana e was say ye bie ye ni information a wonu wenya intelligence awenya etre say yanhwe ni ye a nipa bonefo bi terrorism ebetumi akoso e wo Ghana. Unse Ghana your mind bia eya na terrorism sansem na enkoso wa ha say nipa bonefo say ohwe se ne a your friend say Nigeria Boko Haram or sorry na wakwa blasty baby akwa bobo nkrofo ntuo unse sa de no enkoso wo Ghana ha say. Now Rawlings say information or no Rawlings say nya etre say yanhwe ye a this time of elections no Ghana sanyama no ebetumi akoso nti wo say ye ni na ye de ye ni eto ho senya medin kanche no Rawlings is not the only person to say this, and so meaning so obi beka say Rawlings dey to trust someone ni so other no beka bibi say he is not the only person to say this. In fact, I think say somewhere around early last year the UK, I stand to be corrected, but I think the American embassy you say UK embassy you say they told their citizens that Womote Ghana has say Ghana is likely to be attacked by terrorists into Omoma Womuni and Daho. Womon's information a Womunya from Womo security agencies and no and na Womo Eka. Into Osha, Sansem ne bebaya na ministries embassies no ebimo send some message na Momonkro for say ane Ghana yababe that terrorism for na terrorist phobia womo radar so any same bebre. That is the same thing Rawlings is saying. The same thing all canon. Was a credible intelligence available to him from several sources. Into me sure say embassy 4 sources no but no Rawlings ni nyabi or some sources from other places say yes, our country faces a real threat of terrorism. Now was it washa Ghana your neighboring countries ni bi krano ebi mo start to say and terrorists be start to say attack some of our neighboring countries, and so we need to be very vigilant. It's here for we need to be very vigilant. Now I say Ghana for one thing you want to say bibisa esi ewo enkuro bi so a you say o Ghana de entumi nsi wa ha na saa de na eti yemu no yenyin firi oni hu say yes Ghana se ne eti saa de no so betumi esi. Because Ghana say what doing sa eno na ema ende coronavirus ababe dokro yen Ghana yen yewo because what kai emra Ebola ba na Ebola ko amanaman bebre so ba amba Ghana enti coronavirus isha ase men obakaya the same thing na nkrofo kan so Ghana there sa ya we na be ko man bia ba Ghana there emba sa obakaya a lot of people were saying that and I yetina say ya hwe han ema coronavirus ebedu Ghana say you close borders. Because we thought Ghana there we will always be immune, just like other things. So what is say Boko Haram for blasty way? What is say way blasty way? Yeah, we won't say Ghana there see there Yankupun Shire and Asad in the ANC. If you Mekai, I think say it was around 2000 and was it 2016? 4 years ago. Mekai 2016, 4 years ago. And Brana Boko Haram omo peja omumu. Blasted nyama ewo Nigeria says the de Boko Haram munche dan ti omunka but that time 2016 embra na wo mumu aye duna wo mo blasted nyama wo Nigeria no also focus ya wo Nigeria ye fe no TB Joshua ba bonte be ka se Ghana o ka se Thursday Ghana public school bi terrorists ba be blasted Ghana so be ka ya Ghana phone ya dem paibo na TB Joshua sanso ba no be ka se hey in Paibo Ghana for your boy no agye. Into this is Ghana for your mentality. Ye ka se bibi besi a ye hu ne se ye Paibo na coronavirus no so ye dem Paibo aba still aba bedu ha ekunkum nkrofo yi. Into the Rawlings say kan no se sa suban na eti ye mu na ye de ye hu ne se bibi boni bi antumi nto yen wa ha o Ghana de bibi antumi nto yen bibi boni bi antumi nto o se sa de ne ye nyin fi ye trim niema yeni enda ho na yanhwe ne ya se ne coronavirus aba be fire by surprise na yanhwe ne ya no so aba be fire by surprise. Now me person me reading nsem a wodi tu dwapote we say as Ghanaians we can no longer procrastinate on the matter of terrorism and assume we are insulated from the reality. Inti de na America no eno ano no say Ghana for yentumi ma yehu ni say oh ye de we are insulated enye yenda dabi. So we cannot be insulated from the reality. I say the time has come for heightened vigilance by every Ghanaian as we enter a vulnerable period leading up to the December presidential and parliamentary elections. Embraso. So ye be ye ni say ye ba be ra elections mu no wono Rawlings ne credible intelligence a wonya tre say sambre no na nipa bonifuo bia ye omo adwe say wo mo be den wo mo be attack. Je wo say ye ma ye ni da ho. Asema Rawlings, JJ Rawlings, so can he? Media meeting kaka. Wosha Rawlings is an ex-president. Aside being an ex-president, no sansu ye penny e Ghana Armed Forces mu. Ye can Africa has say ya. Unim say Ghana Armed Forces or mo ye say ye can be a top 2 Omaya sebe wo mu soldiers for wo mu ho odem pa Ghana say ye ndi first and ye be di second. So you can't downplay the fact that Abia Rawlings no ne krese wenya information from somewhere and wenya intelligence from a right source. You can't actually downplay that fact. So while we undoubtedly are nervous about the deployment of the military and other security agencies across our border areas, ordinary civilians can better guarantee their safety when we keep our ears and eyes open for suspicious movements and activities across our vast borders. In the same vein, I once again urge the military and other agencies deployed in border regions to perform their roles above reproach and sensitive to the mood of the people of the border areas who are already reeling under the pressures of COVID-19. Any unease and mistrust between the military and communities along the border areas will only create an opening for those engaging in terrorist activities to slip through, increasing the threat to our country. Cooperation and sharing of intelligence is key to confronting the challenge. Now the Okanina on the say yes, and then I'm an Oka say, Osha Ghana Pana. Your borders no a soldier for Aquakugu, Nina, and say, ye voting, what you say. Now, Rawlings say, Omo mugu borders no womo make sure say womo ma citizens no because isi an wo hwe aflawa womo hene kra ba bonten a wo de ebufu aba bonten say asojafo no akwa students bi abo no student bi a school na wo kono obe cross border no asojafo na abo no me hu video na ende hene na ba bonten a ne buefu say asojafo no womo ye omo adwinye otherwise omo so omo eden omo de be hia womo nti the Rawlings say can say asojafo no mo border no so mo make sure say mo ne enipa na e wo sa akro ni so no ebe one na mo ya mo ho say mo de mo bebo omo a omo be yesa wo mo be gangi against mo na terrorists no eno na omo twen wo mo hu ne say e kromafo no e gangi against mo asojafo na the terrorists will slip through. They will see say that is the opening for them. No more baby rim. Inti mo di asojafo no mo ahwe a ebe ya mo say o e kromafo no na enemo eko wo be na terrorists aba ka ho no mo bo mo na tell say asem no ayai ababa abeye kese. Inti oye no ka say the sharing of key information or say the sharing of information is key during this time. For Rawlings to come out to say something like this, it tells you say chale e was say ye ma ye ni eda ho. I was say ye ma ye ni eda ho. Me pese me read some of the embassies no because ebi obi beka say the Rawlings dey way. What I want to do and say I want to read some of say the I think UK. Okay. I want to read some of the embassies amongst information about Mudi Tuja. Now, my whole story was say Western governments warn of persistent Western governments warn of persistent terrorist threats in Ghana. We a article be a buy. According to Canadian and UK diplomatic authorities, the terrorist threat remains elevated in Ghana. Both governments renewed their alerts dating from blah blah blah. It just say story where me read on the internet. No, it just say Canada and the UK for womo embassy ekatre womo crofo. Even ukwa Canada womo embassy katre womo crofo womo te ha say Ghana no eda terrorist phobia rather so. So womo pese womo attack Ghana. Internet media country said that Tim Rawlings is saying it is not something that has not been said before. A lot of security agents and our security experts have said that. And I've pulled a story from Google. Say even Canadian and UK embassy have told their citizens living in Ghana. Oko travel.gc.ca. A Canadian, okay. BBC for Cratro, BBC.com. I say UK, Canada government alerts their nationals over kidnapping and terror threats in Ghana. Way 2019. Once I Mamoti as I say, Asemoya Rawlings in 2019 about pen. Into where a BBC reporter me pulia chemo BBC for Aircan. Was the United Kingdom and Canadian governments caution their nationals who travel to Ghana that they need to be steady because of kidnapping and terror attacks that can happen in Ghana. Not just one more Canadian and UK embassy in the Krano, they had this information. Wokwa UK in Ghana, which is a verified account for ABA citizens of UK, our mobile Ghana. A hot Krano, Wamu tweetie, our Twitter, Omu tweetie, said the UK has updated its travel advice for Ghana. There are updates throughout, including the crime, road travel, and local travel sections, and a new advice on kidnapping. Satana kidnapping course, no. It's only the kidnapping and terrorism also. These days, we send ya in some air kono. In Grofweni so I shit election say ba. Asema Rawlings say no. So you see, I intentionally brought up these old stories to show say Ebia will be better na baby aka say and the Rawlings Ghana there sir. Because in December a year near per se they play politics. What you you? In December a year near per se they play politics. So better na baby aka say oh and the Ghana there and you say and the Ghana there and you say and the Ghana there and you say and the Rawlings who say MPP na also ntina wa sheda abeka sir. Meaning say Ngrofo bi beka sir. That is why I intentionally pulled stories from Canada and UK, one more embassies, because some of the themselves were more political. And they are there, security experts and the diplomats be account to or crowd that. And a Rawlings say can say one there. When your information, credible intelligence are a treasure. Until I saw that for no more money and that Ghana phone so I timem for yanso yama yeni and that. As someone Rawlings say can no. It's here for Montreal margin or comment box me that's it.